Many different paving patterns can be made by using these paving stones. Here are two examples of a 3x3 pattern. In a 6x6 Dutch pattern, the three sorts of paving stones are used in a symmetrical arrangement to completely fill a square area. A partly completed 6x6 pattern is shown below. 4 small squares exactly cover one large square, and 2 small squares exactly cover one rectangle. A small square has each side 10 centimeters long. What is the total area covered by a 6x6 pattern? Okay, so a 6x6 pattern will look something like this. It will be a square, and it will contain 6 columns and rows, if you will. Okay, so this is the outline or the skeleton of a 6x6 pattern. You can see that it has 6 squares along one side and 6 along the other. So it says that each small square has a side 10 centimeters long. So if each of these little squares, is 10 centimeters, then what do we have? Since there's 6 of them, we have a square that is 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters. So the total area covered by the 6x6 pattern is 60 times 60, which is 3,600 square centimeters. Or our answer here, C.